Fragrance haul, I just blind bought 5 fragrances. Let's see if any of them are any good. First up is this right here called Cough. Let's see if I like it. All right, so here it is unwrapped. By the way, I think they shrink wrapped it on. It was insanely difficult. All right, bottle, I mean, what? Looks cool, it looks okay. I mean, nothing that special, but we don't care about the bottle. Atomizer. It's a good atomizer. Kind of smells like Abercrombie & Fitch Fierce or Parfums de Marly Percival, that style of fragrance. So it's a fresh fragrance. It's supposed to be a long lasting. Again, I have no idea. This is the first time I've actually smelled this fragrance. It does give off Abercrombie & Fitch Fierce vibes though, for sure. Now, they say there's watermelon in it. I haven't smelled watermelon yet, so hopefully the watermelon comes through a little bit better than what the initial spray is, because a Abercrombie & Fitch Fierce style fragrance with watermelon, that's gonna be great in the summer. All right, next up is the new Assad elixir. Let's see if it's any good. All right, so again, I really like how they do like an embossed thing right there on the box. A little attention to detail, that's all. Looks cool. But we care about is the bottle. I mean, come on, is that not like Batman's fragrance right here? This looks awesome. Let's find out if this is any good. Here's the atomizer. I mean, okay. Oh, that smells good. Oh, that smells good. It smells sweet, it smells a little bit dark. Oh, that smells really good. I hope this lasts. This smells like this could work great in the spring. Oh, that's really good. All right, we got pink pepper, saffron, grapefruit, tobacco, vanilla, cedar, frankincense, light amber, patchouli, and cashmere. I'm getting mostly the vanilla with like the patchouli mixed with like the light amber. It says light amber, that's what it kind of smells like. But so far, I'm not getting the other notes. This is good. This is really good. Cannot wait to rock it and see how the performance is. Packaging, insane. It's another one that was on there good. Now this feels like it should open. Oh, did not get all the plastic off. Oh, come on. Oh, I love when you get packaging like this. I gotta say, French Avenue, you've been killing it lately. This looks almost like artwork. This feels like some award you would get in like Greece or Italy. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. So this is Aether extrait. The other one is Atlantis extrait. So this is Aether. Let's see if Aether is any good. Quick atomizer, check. It's good atomizer. Oh, that's like a citrus, fresh. Oh, that smells orange. Yeah, that smells like you got a little bit of like a grapefruit mixed with an orange, and a very, very, very sweet orange. That smells really stinking good. Like, that smells like something that you'd want to wear in the summer. That is like, you know, freshness. That smells like maybe you're in the Maldives, maybe you're in Ibiza over in Spain. Like, that smells really good. That smells really good. I hope this lasts, because if that lasts, that's a really good summer fragrance. I get why people have been talking about Aether. Like, this is some great fragrance. Yeah, it smells phenomenal. Now, I don't know about performance. Again, these are all first impressions, but that smells good. That smells good. I am sure I'll be talking about this, because even, I'd say, even if it only lasts like 4 hours, this smells like it's worth picking up. Great fragrance. Now, let's do Atlantis. Same packaging, I assume. Same stunning design. Great job. 10 out of 10 for presentation. What do we think? What do we think? I like it, personally. I like the blue, I like the green. But do we like the scent? Let's find out. Oh my gosh, that's a fruity, sweet, fresh fragrance. Like, oh, that smells really good. That smells really good. So the last one felt like it was more like an orange citrus, fresh, like a grapefruit. This one smells like you're taking a bunch of just fruits and taking the sweetness out of them and making it just massively appealing, like crazy projection. I kind of want to see the notes on this one. We've got orange, mandarin orange, lemon, watermelon, coconut, cacao, amberwood, and ambergris. Yeah, that coconut gives you that just tropic feel. Now this doesn't smell, wait a minute. So I bought, or I say bought, for Christmas I got a fragrance I've wanted for a while. And I feel like it's one of the best summer fragrances. It's just sexy, it's crazy good. The coconut in it just hits perfectly. The fruitiness of it hits perfectly. And the fragrance has mandarin orange, orange, lemon, watermelon, coconut, ambergris, amberwood, and cacao. And unwittingly, not knowing, I think I just got a fragrance inspired by that, because this smells very much like Wave Child. That's what I'm getting out of this 100%. The scent is Wave Child, which again, it's not a bad thing because Wave Child's a little expensive. So if you want to do it and get that scent on a little bit cheaper of a budget, this smells just like it. Just gonna be honest, it's what it smells like, and it smells really good. Okay, now, if I'm being honest, the reason I got this haul is this fragrance right here. This is Cal Cologne's new fragrance that he just came out with. He says it's amazing. I don't think anyone would put out fragrance going, this is terrible, but still, the claims he's put on this fragrance made me want to get it, and Joma Shop had it, so I got it. And then because I'm an addict and I wanted free shipping, the like what, $6.99 shipping, I bought the other 3 fragrances and paid a lot more than this one fragrance. But you know what? Addiction, it's a real thing. Let's find out if it's any good. All right, so here is the bottle unboxed. Standard bottle. I mean, standard box. Nothing that special. All right. What do we think? I think personally, this feels nice. It looks nice. It looks different. Doesn't feel like every other fragrance out there. Now, I will say the last 2 from French Avenue look different. Cough look different. Assad, I mean, that's the Assad style. But it's nice when they don't necessarily put out just the standard bottle. There's just something different. Now, this lid, I really like. I don't know why, this reminds me of Star Wars. Maybe it's the lightsaber top part, maybe it's the nerd in me coming out, but this feels actually like Darth Vader's fragrance. Like, flip out Darth Vader and that's what you got. How cool would that be if like you pushed a button and like just like had like the green, oh my gosh, the red beam come out? Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now as I lose all my followers. They're like, nerd. Yeah, sorry. All right, Cal, see if you're saying the truth. That might be the furthest any atomizer has ever gone in my collection. Okay, I'm just gonna put this on skin. Oh, I wonder if I can show you. That is crazy. The atomizer is that far. Nuts. Nuts, I say. Let's see if it's any good. I mean, that is a dark, smoky winter fragrance. But it's got some like uplifting factors to where this could work in the spring, this could work in the fall. I mean, that smells tobacco and ambery. Oh, it smells like sometimes amber can be like a dark, smoky amber, kind of like you're in like a castle. That's what I'm getting. I'm getting that kind of like dark, smoky amberous to it. But then there's smells, and again, I'll look up the notes in a second, but it smells like there's a tobacco spice in there. Kind of almost like a fire and like a pipe, something like that. Oh, that smells so good. That smells like it is a powerful fragrance. All right, let's look at the notes. Amber, warm spice, woody, vanilla, aromatic, powdery, fresh spice, leather, balsamic, and smoky. That's a lot of notes. We got pepper, cardamom, bergamot, saffron, lemon, elemi, leather, tonka bean, incense, labdanum, clary sage, sandalwood, vanilla, amber, benzoin, cashmere, and musk. It's a lot of notes. It smells good. But if you like dark, heavy ambers, it's gonna be a good one. So what'd you think? Have you smelled any of these 5 Or what are your thoughts on the 5? Let me know, comment down below. Thanks for watching. As always, talk to you soon.